Hi guys, Josh Vada here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've done one of these like bag reviews, and I really enjoy doing them. They're fun for me. But I also feel like sometimes I get kind of bland whenever I do them because I'm trying to mask is what it is. I'm trying to mask my ADHD, my bright shining light, as I'm told. So I'm gonna try my best not to do that today, and we're gonna look at my bags. So for the past month or so, I've been using the same bag, and it's mainly for convenience. I've thrown another one into the mix, and I'll show you why. But this one here, it's called a Fjallraven High Coast Crossbody bag. So there's the little fox. I really like these bags a lot. This one isn't like the G1000 fabric or anything, it's like nylon, but it's not super bad. It's like 47-50 bucks on Amazon. I went to the Fjallraven store and they told me, be careful what you buy on Amazon because it may not be real. And I'm like, so I bought a bunch of stuff. But these type of bags, these crossbody bags, are my favorite. And the reason I keep a bag with me at all times is because I have medication that I need to have on me at all times. And I don't even have one of them. So it's an inhaler, but I was using it earlier, so that's why it's not here. And then I also have, I love these little things. They are, I forget what they're called, but they're like supposed to hold your jewelry or like supposed to hold your medicine and stuff. So this one is labeled emergency meds. And then this one is labeled lactate because I'm lactose intolerant and I don't want to have gas or bloat. So this is one of them, and if you suffer from migraines, you know how shitty it is to be out and about and catch a migraine. So this first medicine is called Ubrelvy. I tried Nurtec and it did not work for me, but Ubrelvy is like a miracle drug. Like it just calms down my migraine. It's wild. And then I have a clonazepam, because I also get panic attacks, and the panic attacks are fueled by the migraine. So that's the reason I always carry around a cute little bag like this. The reason I had got this one is because I was reading about it, and you guys can see these little clicks right here. The strap comes off, right, on both sides, so it makes it into a different type of bag. Not necessarily a clutch, but something you can throw in your bag in a clutch. Wait, throw in your bag and it comes in clutch. But yeah, so here's the inside. First part is just like a little pocket up in the front. It's not lined with anything like microfiber or anything like that. And then inside we have these two like nap pockets that you can throw candy in or whatever. I don't know. And then there's a zipper pocket in here with like a key clip thingy. I use that because my key fob is usually just thrown in here somewhere. But yeah, the reason I keep a small bag like this is because I can switch between my gym bag and my run around bag. It used to be my work bag, but I work at home now, so I just keep this specific one with me at all times. And we're gonna kind of do like what's in my bag. That being said, this one's the first one that I've been using like as my everyday carry. It is empty right now because I just got back from vacation and I've been actually using this little guy. So this one is called a Yeti Crossroads packing tube, or packing bag, packing cube. What did I say? I don't even know what I said, but this one's cute. It's like a very small bag. I threw a carabiner on here, like a clip on here, because same thing. I use this between the gym and running around, and it's just a small little bag, just like literally just a little bag. And then it does have this thing to make it extendable, so like if you need to put extra stuff in there, I try to keep as minimal stuff in here as possible because I am bringing this bag between everything, and in a emergency I'll throw it into my bag too. But yeah, I love this little bag, and it has two little clips on here, two little handles, so I'm sure you could throw it on a belt or something if you really need to be running around camping with this or hiking. I don't know. And then it has this like little how do you say this, like netting or netting? I don't know my words, but yeah, so this is it. It's just a cute little bag, and then it opens like just all the way open. Whenever you open it, it's just open. So yeah, what I keep in here is like my wallet. This one's an old Fendi Monster wallet. And then I'll actually be putting this in here. I like to put my wallet back there because I really don't use it, but I need to have it. It has like my ID, my debit card, my Costco card, my other credit card, and my other credit card. So I keep it all in here, throw it into the zipper pocket. You can see him hanging out in there. It also has room for my key fob, and these are the things I take between all of my bags. So my key fob, because there is this little stringy string, I throw my key fob on here, and then voila, it's just stuck on there, and then I don't have to worry about it falling out. Those are the main things I keep back here because I know I can't lose those. Those are the things I can't replace right away, so I'm really careful with those. Another thing is going to be my little Beats. They're literally in right now, but they're my little Beats Fit Pro whatevers. Those ones I also throw in here, but I put them for easy access. I end up using these little, it's kind of like stretchy, but not really. But I put it in that neck so I can just like feel around, like put my hand in, pull it out, and I know where it is. I also keep one of these. This one is a My Charge little like external battery. These I like with the little cords that are just in them. So I think it's like old school Apple, like a lightning charger, I think it's called, and then a USB-C. It doesn't have too much. I think this one's like only like 3,000 gigabytes. I don't know what it's called. 3,000 milliamps, I think. Anyway, it's good enough to keep me and my phone charged right back up. So that one just goes into the big pocket. Like I mentioned, or like I showed you guys, I do keep emergency medicine and Lactaid just in case, and I actually just keep them clipped together. Voila, tossed in. Another thing, I've been using that Trinitoin stuff on my face, so I have to keep sunscreen on me at all times now. This one is from Cetaphil, and it's 50 SPF. It's mineral, so like if you're not careful and you go into like a camera flash, it'll sometimes give you some face casting or whatever, but that's fine. And then two, I also have this Aquifer sunscreen for your lips. When I went to Mexico, like Puerto Vallarta, boom, right in there too. I went to Puerto Vallarta recently, and like I didn't put normal, or I put normal Aquifer on my lips, and it literally cooked my lips. My lips, I don't ever have like super chapped lips. Sometimes they're chapped, but then I go drink water. But over there, it was like cooking my lips. It was terrible. So when we went to Vegas a couple weeks ago to see Gaga, I went and got this because I'm like, I'm touching my face with that Trinitoin stuff. I need to be careful. And then just in case, I put a strap in here for it, because you can throw a strap on here and it's like a little tiny like crossbody purse. The only thing is like this strap before was plastic, and I ordered these lobster claw ones because they remind me of my Louis Vuitton stuff. But I bought these lobster claw ones, and if you can see, maybe you can't, maybe you can. Anyway, like right there, it's like a little screw, and you can put these on anything that already exists with a loop. So you don't have to worry about re-sewing them, which I've done before just to have the same strap on the same bag. But yeah, so that's what was in here. And then I went ahead and just packed it right into here. I like this size of bag. It's just difficult because you never know what, like if you take this to a venue or something, like an activity, you never know what their dimensions are or whatever that they're gonna allow you to have in there. But this one seems to be okay. The bag strap that it comes with has like cushion on it. If you can see, it's not just this like seatbelt webbing stuff. It's like it's not a lot of cushion, but it's something. And usually, I don't know what I do with that. I have like one of those Live Strong bracelets, them rubber bracelets. I usually put it on here and keep it in my bag like that. But since I don't have it, I'll show you guys. I just roll it up and try to keep it nice and tight, and then I'll throw it in the bag too. Because there's nothing on this other side netting, I'll put it in there. So if you guys can see, there's still like a lot of room. This phone is a Samsung S24 Plus Max Pro, whatever. I usually keep this one in the front pocket, and it's a pretty gigantic phone, but it totally fits in there. Oh, can't even see it. There you go. So it's in there. And then I like, this is something weird about me. Like if it's just like a front zipper, I don't care, it's one zipper. But if I see like a big pocket zipper and it only has one zipper on it to close it, I always think it's like a cheap bag because it wasn't designed. Stuff like this where you have like a big empty or a big opening, you need to have 2 zippers, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. But yeah, so that's this bag. I like it a lot. And then I can just like literally throw it in my gym bag or like put it in my like work bag. Like this one's the one I've been using for the past couple of days. It's like an old Burberry's bag. But if you notice, voila, it just fits in here. And let me know if you guys want a review of this bag. It's just really old. Oh, and I have little charms. This is Hirono, and Gengar, little skeletons, black cherries. And then a chain. I don't know. I've been putting dumb stuff because of TikTok. But yeah, I really like this bag and I've been using it as my everyday carry. Just because of vacation, I had to switch out and then I haven't had the opportunity to put it back. But I really like this bag. And then this is my in the clutch, comes in clutch bag. Make a thumbnail. But yeah, I don't know, like just because I have to keep my inhaler, I've always kept a bag, and then the migraine medicine, I've always just had to keep a bag. So that's why I did it. That's why I do it. And usually if Aaron and I are running around somewhere, he'll give me like his wallet, his keys, just stuff so I can keep it in my bag because my bag is like always with me. And it kind of frees him up to do some stuff too. But like I said, the Yeti Crossroads park. I wrote it down. Crossroads Yeti Crossroads packing cube is only 25 bucks on Amazon, and you can put makeup. You can put whatever you want in it. Cookies, chicken nuggets, and then the Fjallraven High Coast Crossbody bag is 47 on Amazon. I don't know, I just think they're really solid. Like, I've had some of my Konkin stuff for a really long time. I ended up doing a giveaway a while back and the video got flagged, so I took it down. But I did a video where I gave one away because I was getting subscribers from the videos. So who knows, I might do it again if I start doing well. I don't know. But yeah, thanks so much for watching and listening to me yap because I'm a yapper. But it's super cute. I'll show it to you. I'm 5'10", 5'9". Probably 5'9 3/4 if you catch the joke. But like I'm little for a boy and it seems to fit me just perfect. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see me because this is a very dark part of the house. But so this is me, like I said, I'm 5'9", 5'9 3/4, and it seems to fit me okay. Like I like to wear it like a shoulder bag. And these are adjustable, the straps are adjustable, so you can like totally pull them off and like whatever. But because they are removable, like I said, you can like switch it out to another strap. Like if you have one that you really like, or like I have some that I bought from like Tom Ford, or who's the other guy? Michael Kors. And they're just like fancy straps, but yeah, I like the way it fits here. And I've seen people on like young people wearing these as like chest bags. I don't get that yet because I'm very old. I'll be 41 in a month. And so I know kids wear them like this too. Like, I don't know, like a chest bag, I don't know. But like you can wear it like this too and like look like a cool kid. And I don't know, like, I don't know, I guess you can wear it like this too. Like if you're hiking or something and you need to like make sure it stays on you.